Let's make a cheeseburger. What's up, family? It's your brother Chef Abdul, and today we're gonna make a vegan cheeseburger. Alright guys, you can find this mold at the dollar store for $1.25. It is so good to have if you want to create your own mock burgers. I put some plastic wrap over it so it doesn't get too dirty, and then I take it off and still wash it. Alright guys, so we're gonna make our mold for our burger and put it in the freezer. I did this overnight so you'll get a better result. The seasoning will sit and marinate properly and just taste good. So this video will actually help you with the ebook that drops November 21st. Alright guys, so for today I'm going to be using some grapeseed oil on medium heat. I'm going to cook these babies down for maybe 10 minutes on both sides. Alright guys, I like my burgers nice and toasty. Add my onions, which will give this burger flavor. Alright guys, saute your onions for 2 to 4 minutes guys, until golden brown to your desire. And this is also giving that burger that flavor. Check this burger out up close. Look how delicious this looks. Full recipe will be released November 21st, family. For today, I'm gonna be using Daya cheese to give it that nice melt. We're gonna put our cheddar cheese on this delicious burger. We're gonna add some water into this pan so we could get that cheese to melt nicely. Check out my bread. This video will be coming soon. I will show you guys how to make my bread. Now let's take this baby out. Now I'm gonna toast my bread between 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. Let's take these babies out so we could build our burger. Now we're gonna make our burger sauce, guys. Everybody has their special sauce that they add to their burger to give it that pizzazz. You know what I mean? Alright guys, so that recipe will also be in my ebook, which drops November 21st. Shout out to all my followers, my subscribers, and thank you for getting me to that 3,000 mark. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Yeah.